Hey, just let me resize the window of the camera of my computer because I cannot see myself given that the screen is broken. It's not even broken, it's a layer of the screen on top of the screen that is hiding the interface behind. That's perhaps why I have not been called upon to talk about UFOs at all by this bread buyer because there have been some releases so groundbreaking, which are absolutely not groundbreaking, by the way. So I am managing to reduce the window so that I could see myself. I wanted to record a video on the tablet. I wanted to record a video on the tablet, but it's not been. The tablet has been shut down. So, are we alone? This is something that is popping up on the 21st of November, something groundbreaking, something with just bland information that has been related for a couple of decades already, as in that my celestial forces has been canceling out the deactivating and activating the like several nukes since World War II. Apparently, nuclear weapons since World War II. They have been going about that so that we would not destroy the planet and the entire species. So this is something that you know for certainty since a long time if you have been digging a bit around the topic of UAPs. This is nothing groundbreaking. This is just bland information that is recited into something that is kind of a blockbuster, overly promoted all of a sudden from a guy who said having it promoted for 3 years, working on it for 3 years while he's just been packing up some stuff last minute and gathering some KK people around experts who said expert all white except one person mixed race Carteron, I would assume, not even black white, but like black white and white or something like that. So like a bit white, but perhaps I am a bit being of a bitch right here. But like, hey, I'm here. You want an expert on the matter? I can tell you a thing or two about UAPs. I don't have all the answers, but I can perhaps channel multiple languages at once for you, and explain you my experience that I had with those encounters and all the presents that are around me absolutely all the time. Perhaps I can tell you a thing or two about that because I am a celestial prince. Do you want to talk about it? Do you want these to be released in your soul? It's not almighty. I want to say almighty, but my brain is a bit blocked, so I cannot say the word that I want because you know, like UFOs is something that everybody knows now, thanks to this Are We Alone, right? And apparently, you have some type of reverse engineering of alien tech that nobody knows about. Nobody knows about Area 51, Roswell. Nobody knows about the Project Blue Book. Nobody knows about Russia being studying in secrecy some stuff about shamanism, the occult, and as well UFO stuff. Nobody knows about that. Nobody knows that has been the WikiLeaks has been outing outing that China has been studying parapsychologic. What is it again? EAPs. I think this is it. Psychic abilities since 1815s, and I see there that there is someone passing by. You know, this is just some KK shit because right now the information is going out thanks to me and thanks to the intelligence world. We aren't masking absolutely anything. We are releasing the information so that everybody would know about what's going on. And it's important that everybody knows about that, given the shit that they have been doing against me. Because right now, more and more of the public is being aware of the actual existence and presence of my alien forces all around Earth at any point of time, of day and night, and around them. You have a fucking plane who has been over a stadium at a distance that is largely unacceptable. They said unacceptable so in the trailers. So it's not acceptable to fly that low above a stadium where you have Trump that is gonna go later on. Yet there has been a plane, and my balls right now are being stimulated while my brain is being slowed down cognitively so that I wouldn't be able to express myself correctly. And my body is stressed out so that I would feel some type of anxiety while I talk about the topic of UFOs so that I would look more tense, stupid, more discredited, with less credibility compared to the shithead who has been killing shit ton of black people so that they would be able to say that UAPs, UFO, and aliens are existing. And this happens 2 days or so after I say that there is, after I release information about UAPs, information that was already in the open. And then they say that the president didn't know and that people only know about it on the get to know basis. Need to know basis. This is absolutely false because they know about my existence since I am born, since I was born. They know that I am a celestial prince since I was born, or perhaps a little later on for some of them. It's no secret. This has never been a secret. This is why I have been targeted. This is why they have been trying to kill me for the past 3 years. This is why they have been torturing me for my entire life. This is why they have been blocking me for my entire life so that my abilities would not be used to their full extent. I'm outstanding and talented. I'm in many fields, and absolutely in every field, they have been blocking my abilities. No exception. And then they are telling you that it's something brand new and that nobody knew about it. They have been spending money into making sure that they could either live my life, fuck with me at night, or be able to torture me. This is what's going on. And then they want to make a movie that is socially groundbreaking, saying something brand new while there is nothing absolutely new in it. You have on the internet information that is far more accurate and precise than what seemed to be soon released in this Are We Alone? They are just saying what I have been saying for my entire life, that we are not alone in this new universe. I have been saying this for my entire life, and I used logic only to arrive there. Math, to deduce that it was impossible that we would be the only one on earth. This was simple logic. People aren't fooled, people know about it. People in spirituality, they believe that we are not the only one, even though they don't have proof of it. They just know it, they just feel it. They are just told in an untold manner that aliens are existing indeed. And it's just common knowledge. It's just common conspiration knowledge that UFOs exist. It's like Area 51s. Everybody knows that this is about UFO sighting stuff. It's These people are fucking delusional. They really think that everybody is fucking dumb like they are and that nobody knows about that. Trump has been targeting me for my entire life. The dude knows. And I'm sure that this is some KK friends of his who are currently releasing the shit. So just boycott. Boycott this, are we alone? You don't look at it, this is shit. Ignore it. Ignore it completely. You won't find interesting information there. Focus on what I have to tell you about the celestials. This is far more important. I don't talk too much about it, but trust better what I have to say about it rather than what they have to say about it, and trust the information that I'm delivering to you compared to what they are about to tell you in those fucking movies. This is bullshit. You're gonna lose your time. You're gonna lose 1.5 hours of your life. So do not watch it. Those are serial killers only interested in killing you. Do not watch it.